Hey guys, how's it going? Alright, little project I got going on. Next month, April the 6th, got a little benefit and everything for a biker's gone down. So what I'm doing is I'm making something for the benefit, but I've got to build something in order to help make it. So right now I'm doing, this is some CA glue I got off Amazon. So why not try it? My first time ever. And this was not expensive for, I didn't spend a lot for, why should I spend a lot of money if I don't like it? So we're going to try it. Anyways, I've got to make, this is actually going to go on the table saw for cutting my small parts. So what I'm doing is, got this piece here. I've already done a depth stop and everything on the table saw itself, so that's working. So this is actually going to go on there, but these are going to go up underneath this board like so, and they're going to conform to the sides of the miter saw. That way I can just take it off and put it right back on. I'm using CA glue to hold these down until I get flipped back over and get the brad nails going in it. So Miter Appeal, that's the name of it. So let's see how this is. It'll tell you. Let's see. Okay. So I'll need to snip in there. Where are my little dikes at? Alright, they're back over here. I gotta try and get as much done as I can before going for my surgery on the 13th. Which means I'm not gonna won't have use of my right hand. So it says put some drops of this on. So it's kind of like a super glue. Okay, so we got that, and this is the activator. Let's see if we can get this done. Well, that all wants to set up. That seems to be pretty good. Yeah, that's on there. Oh, just a hair, but I don't think that's going to matter much. Drop there. Drop there. Press that down and hold it. That's lined up good. Oh, that's working. I like it. I've never used CA glue before. I've seen a lot of the woodworking channels and everything using it. A lot quicker than using the wood glue. So now I've got my brad nailer out, and I've got 1.25 inch. So this is like 1 inch thick here, and of course I got 1/2 inch. Now, and mind you, this is so scrap wood I can pick up from work, no problem. Now, let me go cut this piece and we'll get it attached on the back and everything. And I may have to have a second one because right here is where the saw stopped when I got my depth. And I just want it just barely coming through. I need to cut the wood, you know, the pieces I'm cutting without doing the tear out on it. But I need to still be able to come through. So let me get this cut on the table saw and I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. Had to get it cut down a little bit more for height and everything. So now let's get it mounted on here because that's the bottom. I like that edge a lot better. It's a little bit smoother. We'll add some of this. This is kind of like a super glue from what I understand. Now you don't have, from what I understand, you don't have to have the activator. It will cure on its own, but the activator does help. That's on there. Yep. I like that stuff. I wish I'd started using it beforehand. Yep. And yes, I'm using just regular MDF. And that is already okay. Flip so I can get brad nails put in this. Now, just also got to make sure not to put nails in where the blade's going to be. So before I do that, I want to make sure I've got it clamped. That way I didn't want to separate. Actually, I'm going to put a clamp right in the middle. That way I know where the saw blade is. Whoops! Okay, that just came off of there. So I guess it's not that strong. Alright, we'll clean that off. We'll retry this. Get that off of there. Like I said, my first time using CA glue. You know what? Easy way to do it, we'll go run it through the table saw and clink, just take about a 1/16 off. Be right back. Alright, let's try this again. Try some more. Might have done it wrong, I don't know. Like I said, first time trying to use this stuff. Okay. We'll clamp it. Yeah, this way. Like I said, that way I know where the saw is going to be at. blade. And that way I don't put any nails right in that spot. That's how quick and easy it is to make one of these. I don't know why I didn't think about doing it before, but like I said, that way I can put it on the miter saw. And the nice thing about doing it like this is I can take it off and use the miter saw for anything else. But this is going to be just for cutting the small pieces for a little project I got, which I'll do a video on. Because that's going to be something for April the 6th. But I've got to try and get all this stuff done. And yes, I'll get back to working on the desk here also. But because, in fact, 13th I'm going in for surgery on my hand, so it means I won't have the use of the hand. 24th I'm going in for surgery for the hernia I've got, so that's really going to put me totally out of commission. So, alright, there you go. I'll have to do some more tweaking and everything on this. So anyways, hey, leave me a comment, give me a thumbs up about this. I'd love to hear your comments saying, hey, that looks good, no, or, you know, why don't you try doing this instead. But like I said, I'm using this all out of scrap wood. I'm able to pick up from work for free. But like I said, this is all stuff that's getting thrown away, cut off, stuff like that. But anyways, hit that bell notification, subscribe to the channel if you haven't. I'm almost at 900. I appreciate it. I'd like to hit, you know, the 900. And I got something I want to do once I hit 1,000 subscribers. Y'all have to stay tuned for that. But alright, y'all stay safe. God bless.